Let me tell you all the important factors of creating content for WhatsApp business stories and bringing in more views, which is a major question for a lot of businesses. So, number one and the most important one, keep it short and sweet. Stories have a limited duration, so make sure your content is short and sweet and concise, like on point, and use eye-catching visuals. Now, by eye-catching visuals, you know what I mean. Not that, but very attractive visuals that actually make the user stay on your creative and press that thumb, watch it and read it completely. Or if it's a video, watch them compel them to watch the entire video, and graphics to grab their attention and grab their message, say hi, reply, or something from them. Compel them to message you. Share exclusive deals, promotions in your stories, like limited time offer, discounts for your customers. This can help you create a sense of urgency and encourage them to make a purchase, like using the FOMO, just like Amazon does it, like exclusive sale gonna end in like 2 hours, you are compelled to buy it, like something like that. Share tips and advices related to your products and services to help your customers get the most out of them. For example, if you sell skincare products, you can share tips for achieving healthy and glowing skin, or benefits of that herb, benefits of your cream, benefits, or things that you can do in this weather, or something like that. Create short videos just like you do for Instagram Reel or TikTok or any other platform, or YouTube Shorts, and then share the same content here in the stories as well. Use customer testimonials, like this is mind-blowing game changer. Share, of course, positive feedbacks and reviews from your customers to build trust and credibility. This can help you to encourage others to make a purchase. This is super important, right? Now, show behind the scenes content. Give your customers a glimpse into day-to-day operations of your business. Share photos and videos of your team at your work and how products are being made. This can help you to create a personal connection with your customers, right? You get it. Create call to action. Like, what is call to action? CTA. Now, call to action is something: download now, buy now, learn more, sign up, grab now, something like that. So encourage your customers to take action by including a clear CTA in your WhatsApp business story. This could be a link to your website, discount code, or a request to contact you for more information, and many other things, just like I said a moment back.